Hello, welcome back to yet another video. In case you're new here, my name is Nehat, and currently I'm doing this everyday workwear look, for a day-to-day basis that you can wear to office. So for today's look, I have this outfit plan, which is this top. It has a satin fabric and it's got this layered pattern. I don't know if you all can see, but yeah, it's like it's overlapping one over the other. So that's the top. It's satin and it's got this black and white print. It has almost three-fourth sleeves and it's like ruched out here sort of, so it gives you like a balloon kind of look. So that's the top. It's pretty free flowing and I think it's going to be very comfortable for work. So because it's black and white in color, I'm pairing it with these black trousers. So these are the trousers. If you all have seen this, I've paired a couple of other outfits as well with these pants. Now, because this was black and white, I felt that this was look perfect with this particular top. So I'm going ahead with these pants. These are pretty normal. I mean, straight fit. It's got zip and button at the side. Like that's how it looks. So yeah, those are the pants. So I'll quickly put this on, and after this we'll accessorize it. I've got a bunch of cool accessories that I have curated for this particular look. So let me just quickly put this on and we'll accessorize it. So here I am. I have this outfit on. That's the top, and yeah, those are the pants. That's how it looks. So now that the outfit is on, I have some accessories to go with this. So for the accessories, I have, to begin with, I'm pairing these two bracelets. That's the first one. So that's how it looks layered. Up next, I have this particular watch. Because it's black, so of course it's gonna match, and that's why I'm pairing it with this watch. So that's how it looks. Finally, I have these rings, which is black and silver. I feel because it just matches the top so well, so I'll probably be wearing these two. Yeah, they look pretty similar, but they have like a little different design. But yeah, that's to do with that. And I have these earrings, a geometric pattern. These are like tiny hoops, so I'll pair it with these. That's how it looks. So those are the earrings on. And finally, I have this necklace. So it has like a star and a pearl. So I'll pair it with this. That's how the necklace looks. And yeah, finally for the hair, I'm not sure if I should just do. I think I'm considering tying my hair half up, half down. Not really. So I'm gonna keep my hair like this. I think this looks good, a side parted hair. And yeah, with that the look is complete. Those are the rings, the bands, watch, necklace, and the earrings. So that's the final look. So here is how it looks fully. So with that, this look is completed. And in case if you like this video, please like and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on future videos, because I have a lot of looks planned for the future. And thank you for stopping by and watching this video to the end. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.